Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter in my 2013 Nissan Altima. What you're going to need to do is you're going to pull out the glove box, and to do that there's 3 Phillips head screws, or 6, my bad. One there, there. Those are right inside the glove box when you open it. And then right underneath, you got some more. Got one there, and on both corners. And then I'll show you what to do after we do that. Okay, so we have a total of 8 screws, and your glove box should fall right out. Remember, you gotta take this cover off, and when you come down, pull back just a little bit, and remember, you got that button here, so be careful with that. See these wires for your trunk button? You want to be careful with that, not to damage anything. And it also clips in up here, so I'm just gonna spin mine like this and prop it up here. That way it's not pulling on these wires. I'll be right back with y'all. Actually, we're gonna remove those. Alright, so to remove these 2 plugs, there's just a button, just like any other plug on the car. Got one here that goes in the back, and this one that was plugged inside, the clip is on the bottom. And you just pinch that button in and it will release. And then to get to your cabin air filter, it's back here behind this. You see this little door right there? Just push up on this tab and open. And that's your filter right there. So pulling this thing out can be kind of tricky sometimes. But it will come. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. 1 second. Alright, sorry, I realized I lost the footage of pulling this old filter out, but here's the old one. It kind of came apart as it was coming out. That's okay, because that's going in the trash. But look how dirty that is. That's what's blocking your AC. My AC, I realized it wasn't blowing as hard as it should be. So this is going to make a big difference. And you can do this without removing the glove box. It just makes it much easier because you can reach in here and mess with that. But once you got your new filter in, you just take your cover here and it clips in the top, so make sure you get that clip pushed in first and then snap the bottom in place. Let's see if I can get that on camera for you guys. And there you have it. That's how you change your cabin air filter. Now, we're just going to put the glove box back in place. Put your two plugs back in. This one goes on the left side. This one goes on the back. And then you got your 3 screws in top, 2 on the inside, and 3 on the bottom. And there you have it. That's cabin air filter replacement in a 2013 Nissan Altima. And there you go. That's a done install. Got this panel back on, that panel, glove box back in place. AC. Nice and hard again.
What? They don't mute it. I can't hear music.
Thanks for watching. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention. Your cabin air filter, just like any other filter, is directional. So usually there will be an arrow on the side that points a certain way and says airflow, meaning if the arrow is pointing this way and it says airflow, that means the air needs to flow this way through the filter. And that normally happens from the front of the vehicle back. So you need to make sure your arrow is pointing towards the inside of the cabin, so the air comes through it in that direction.